Ladies and gentlemen, today on the show we have two fantastic guests from ABB Finland. We have Linda Stenman, who is product manager for drives, and we have Tammi, who is product manager for motors. Now we have good news for everybody working with variable speed applications. They have a fantastic new technology called the synchronous reluctance motor and drive package. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Linda and Ari. Welcome, please sit down. Okay, so welcome to the show. Guys, you're looking very well. Is everything good?
Everything is good.
Perfect.
Excellent, I'm pleased. Now we've got the name of the technology is the synchronous reluctance motor and drive package. Gotta say, I think the name's a little bit short. Could you have made it any longer?
Maybe.
Good question.
Work on it, something to think about there.
Yeah.
Now I've been hearing so much about this synchronous reluctance technology. It's been getting more exposure than Angelina Jolie at the Oscars.
You could say that we got the Oscar. We won the 2011 Automation Award, which is the most important automation prize in Germany.
Now, if there's one people that know automation, it's the Germans. Now, it's called synchronous reluctance. Now, to me, this sounds like the last date that I went on. Tell us all about synchronous reluctance.
This is something different. This is a revolutionary motor drive package, where the induction motor's rotor has been replaced with a new design. And in the drive, we are using a new software designed for this motor technology.
Ah, so you've got the latest software update. Tell me, does it update your Facebook status as well?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, yes, absolutely. Now, if I happen to be in the market for a motor, what's in it for me?
Actually, you get the best of two worlds. You get the compactness and the efficiency of a permanent magnet motor together with the robustness and the simplicity of a traditional induction motor, and all that in a commercially competitive package.
Right, sounds like the best of both worlds. Where have you been all my life? Why haven't we seen this technology before?
That's a good question. Actually, what you need is big enough market for a motor that is specifically designed for variable speed applications. But in order to make it commercially competitive, you need a huge development project. And only now we have market big enough to justify this development project to reach this goal of getting commercially competitive package.
Okay, sounds very interesting. Let's take a look at a video of how it works.
This steel sheet is an important part of a new motor product from ABB called the synchronous reluctance motor. It consists of only iron and air barriers. Unlike the classical motor, the induction motor, it has no cage in the rotor. No aluminium, no copper winding. Since we only have iron, we have eliminated all the yaw losses in the rotor, and thereby the rotor is extremely cool, translating into cooler bearing temperatures, longer service intervals, and longer lifetime. The elimination of the rotor yaw losses also means that the motor has higher efficiency compared to standard motors.
Cool motor, cool bananas. If I had to buy a motor and drive package, it would definitely be this one.
Just go ahead. The technology was introduced in 2011 in Hannover, and already now the first products are available.
Yes, the high output packages with motor frame sizes from 160 to 315 are already available. However, the smaller high output motors as well as the IE4 super premium efficiency motors will be introduced a little bit later.
So why different packages?
If you're a machine builder, you typically want to build smaller and lighter equipments with more cost-effective components. Then the high output package is the right choice for you. But if you're an end user, understanding the value on energy savings, and want to be the forerunner limiting emissions, then the IE4 super premium efficiency is the package for you.
Okay, now if I understand you correctly, it kind of sounds like you don't need traditional technology for variable speed applications anymore.
That's right, from the technology point of view. However, all packages are not available quite yet.
Now, Linda, Ari, you know me, I'm a big player in the industry, and people are always coming up to me and saying, Louis, we love the cool new technology, but we don't want to invest until the technology has been proven. What do you say to these people?
Louis, we know you are a big player and we trust you. And after all, we do use mostly the same components as in the proven traditional induction motor technology. Only the rotor and the software are unique. And as the biggest inventions anyway, the best are the most simple ones.
Artie, I couldn't agree with you more. Linda, what sort of feedback have you received from customers?
The reaction have been positive overall. Naturally, the fastest mover will gain highest benefits.
So you're saying industrial trendsetters should move fast?
Well, the advantages are so obvious that we may even see faster switchover than we dare to imagine.
Artie, I think you might be onto something here. Now, before we wrap it up, if people want to find out more information about the synchronous reluctance motor, where can they go?
The packages are now globally available, and the local ABB on every market is happy to tell more. The best way to find deeper information is our website, abb.com.
ABB.com, I'll have to check it out. Linda, Artie, thank you very much for coming in today. It's been a pleasure to have you here. Go to ABB.com to join the discussion about this new motor technology. You can give comments, ask questions, and get answers.